we back again. Mr. Manyaman is back for another cooking show. Alright, today's recipe, we're gonna cook Thai fish with garlic and lime. Steamed Thai fish or Thai steamed fish with garlic and lime. Okay, ito doon mga guys. So, the fish I'm gonna use is parrot fish. Para kakaiba. May parrot fish. So, may nakita kay loro sa dagat. Yun na yun. Okay, abangan. Mr. Manyaman. Let's go. So we have in our Thai steamed fish with garlic and lime. This is our recipe. So this is a big, huge parrot fish. We can buy this in the palengke. This costs only for 180 pesos. Mura lang, guys. So we have the lemongrass. This lemongrass, we're gonna put this in sa belly niya. What do we have here? We have patis. We have the lime. These are the most important one. The lime, patis, under the salt. And then we have a coriander. Oh, maraming bawang dapat kasi garlic nga. And some chili and some chicken stock. Alright, chicken stock. We have that. So first of all, we're gonna put this one, all the ingredients on this one. It's a stock. So this is gonna be the soup. Yan yung ano niya. Sauce niya. Mamaya yan, steam natin yan. Alright. We put the lime, the broth, chili, the garlic, cilantro, and the patis, and we put the sugar pala. You know, forget the sugar. So it's gonna be sweet, sour, and yummy. It's gonna be in the, and lagyan natin yung the lemongrass inside, and then yeah, let's steam this big boy. Alright, let's go. So yeah, we're steaming the fish already. So nag-improvise po tayo ng steaming natin equipment. Alright, let's go. Takbo natin 20 minutes. Let's see, and we're gonna go back again. Mabilis lang po to. There you go. Lagyan natin ng lemon, lagyan natin ng juice. Let it steam it a little bit, around 5 minutes. Okay. Oh yeah. Alright, finished product. This is what you call the steamed Thai steamed fish with garlic and lime. Alright, Thai style. Alright, look at the blue head parrot fish. Oh. Alright, saan ka pa? Let's go eat, Mr. Manyaman. Alright, we're done. Hope you enjoy watching my cooking show. And yeah, if you like it, yeah, try it. Try my Thai steamed fish with garlic and lime. Ooh yeah, my style, Mr. Manyaman style. Yeah, Mr. Manyaman right now, signing out. Till next time, peace yo.